Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create virtual desktop in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For creating virtual desktop in laptop, all you have to do, press on Alt Ctrl plus D. And if you want to back to your desktop, then click on Alt plus Ctrl plus right button or left button. That's it. So this is how you can create virtual desktop in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.